Okay, so I'm on my way to San Jose. You know, they should make a song like that. Maybe call it "Do You Know the Way to San Jose?" It'd be a big hit. Or did you do that already? I don't know. Way before my time. But anyway, I'm on my way to San Jose. A little bit of traffic. I'll be there in a minute. But yeah, I'm here to check out my probate listing. You know, if I put this listing on the market like 6 months ago, as is, $1 million, no problem. But of course, the market shifted, interest rates rose, buyers got nervous, and it was to be expected. But we got like, I don't know, like 13 showings. We got 4 offers in. One wasn't too bad. It was like all cash, no contingencies. But it was a little bit shy of our minimum price, and we needed a minimum because it is a probate sale. But you know, this is real estate. I've seen Stranger Things happen. Well, there's another good movie series. They should make a movie series called Stranger Things. That'll be a big hit. Just saying. But anyway, so I'm on my way to San Jose to meet 4 contractors now. So we got a whole new game strategy now, a whole new plan. We're gonna put some money behind it, and I'm gonna meet 4 contractors and a stager, and they give me bids, and we're gonna get the whole thing done over again. We're gonna get fresh paint put in there. We're gonna get the floors all nice and varnished. We're going to get the outside power washed. We're going to get new landscaping, give it a lot better curb appeal. And this time, yeah, that whole minimum price thing now, that's out the window. And I feel bad for some first-time home buyers or those looking for a single-family home because they had a good opportunity. But, well, as they say in Italy, tarangiti. For those of you who speak Italian, kind of know what that means. But let's go check out what the contractors have to say. Okay, so the contractors came almost all at the same time. I was too busy making videos, so I just thought I'd do it now since they left. So pretty much it's gonna be really easy. We're gonna go ahead and clean up this whole front yard. This is gonna stay pretty much the same way it is. It's just gonna clean up a little bit. It doesn't look bad at all. Here, we're gonna get rid of this whole bush. We thought about trimming it down, but we're just gonna just get rid of it because the new thing now is flowers. This whole tree here, we're gonna keep the tree, but we're gonna trim it down because you can see when you take a picture of the house, that's gonna be a problem. I mean, I can go this way, of course, but it would just give it a more open feel when the tree's trimmed down. This bush is gonna go. Again, just put flowers over here. This looks really nice over here. It'll just be cleaned up a little bit on this side. Of course, I'm gonna put in probably not lawn, but we're gonna go with some mulch here. And those 2 big bushes here, that one and that one, they're gonna go. And again, more flowers here. And then get rid of this thing over here. The awnings are gonna go. You can see my dad's house over there. He has awnings too. When I was a kid, it was great. I mean, provides shade, especially when it rains. It just keeps everything from getting on the window. But again, it looks too enclosed from the inside. You can't even see anything from the outside. So once we open that window up, it'll look a lot better. Same thing here. We're gonna paint this here, get rid of this wooden thing. Actually, that's on its way out. It's kind of wobbly as it is. And let's go inside the house and check this out. So as we come into the home, the flooring contractor said that these pet stains here, they're actually going to, you know, be removed. He can sand them out, actually, or he can actually, if they stay here, he's probably just going to actually just go ahead and just replace the wood. He says the wood goes back to the 1940s. Oh, there's my brother. Say hi, brother. So the wood go back to the 1940s, but nonetheless, you know, he can actually make it match. The fireplace looks good. You know, the stager said we can paint it, you know, a flat black, but I don't know. I kind of like the way it looks since it was done by hand when I know that my neighbor told me he did that. Coming over here on this side into the kitchen. But yeah, we got actually a sliding door that goes into the wall here. It's pretty cool. We're gonna think about these custom cabinets. We're gonna either leave them this way and clean them, or might paint them a gray color. Definitely gonna get a microwave. Definitely gonna get a dishwasher, and the washer and dryer. We'll probably leave it like that. Over here, same thing. This room simply just needs some paint, flooring. The bathroom, we're gonna definitely change these lights because they're rusted up here. Gonna get all this fixed up. Over here too, gonna fix all this over here, make it all match, clean up the walls as well. And you can see the inside, simply just paint and floors, paint and floors. That's all we need here. That's all we need here as well. Now let's check out the exterior of the home and the backyard. So the whole house, I thought we can actually power wash it, but unfortunately it's not gonna work because we saw some barbecue residue on the walls on the other side. I'll show you in a minute where it's not gonna work very well to just, you know, power wash. We have to need the whole thing over. Plus you can see it's gonna need some paint here for these areas here. We're actually gonna paint all the windowsills. We don't know what color yet. Again, the stager recommended black. I think black is good, but everybody's doing the same thing. I wanna do something a little different, but, you know, maybe a little off color. We'll figure that out later. And back here, I locked the gate already, but you can see, I was gonna leave this the way it is, but the grass is actually dying. So we're either gonna replace the entire grass or maybe even fertilize it. I heard that it may actually work well as far as growing again, depending on how much time we have. I'm gonna take it off the market for about a month, and after a month we'll put it back on and I'll see how the grass looks back then. So Contracts are coming sometime next week once we figure out who's doing what, and we'll see how that goes.